What's up YouTube? This is Khi Turner. Today I'm going to show you the easy, quick method to make Crunchwrap Supreme just like Taco Bell. Let's get into it. What you're going to need is any taco seasoning, salt, pepper, and cayenne. You can also add in cumin if you want. This is all the ingredients you're going to need throughout the recipe. And you want to put that spices and the ground beef together and start to cook it on medium heat. After a while, you'll notice that your beef starts to brown and also the spices start to combine with the oils, and it makes a nice little mixture. A nice cooked ground beef with all the spices and toppings mixed in. Looking tasty. After you've completely browned your meat, you want to transfer it to a plate or somewhere to store it. So you can use this exact same pan to make the tortillas. Check out the new logo, looking nice. Oh baby. Results, you should have a little bit of juice that looks like this, and you can even get the distinct Taco Bell orange juice like that. That means you did it perfectly. Next on the chopping block is the vegetable ingredients. So you're gonna want to chop up the tomatoes right here and also the shredded lettuce. Her nails match the tomatoes.
Nail artists can have one nail, right? It's okay, this one, or you want shorter? Smaller?
Smaller. After continually chopping them till they get about this size, which is Taco Bell size, you want to move them to a plate and then repeat the process until you have enough tomatoes to your liking, however much you like. But we went with about this many for about 2 tomatoes. Next, we show you how to make an avocado. Just like the last video, you just want to slice it through the middle like this. And then when you get to the inside, hit it with a knife and scoot the thing out. Boop, nice and easy. For the inside, just use a spoon and get the insides of it. It happens to come out nice and smoothly every single time. Is perfect for nice, quick, and easy avocado.
You have to wash this really good.
Because you're doing it so good.
Yeah, because these are...
After you've already chopped up all the ingredients for the veggie, put it in the pan with the residual Taco Bell oil. You wanna get a little grease in there. Probably like medium heat, maybe medium low heat, because you want to do all the assembly in this pan right here. So let it cook for just a little bit. Keep it on about medium heat. You can raise the heat if you want to a little bit. Keep it in the medium range though. About 25-30 seconds. Flip it over. You should have this. It's exactly what you're looking for. The little striations right there. Turn a little dark, and you got all this oil on that thing. Oh my goodness, this oil, the oil stains are what makes this really get that Taco Bell flavor. I'm telling you, it's like mild sauce. All right, after it's gotten to the point where you can start to see like little bubbles form into like mini bubbles, you can hear it sizzling up just a little bit. It's like pre-cooked at this point, and it's oiled on both sides. Now you want to take it off the heat. You can keep the heat on though, but just take the tortilla off the heat. I'm gonna give you the inside trade secret. This is straight from Vanessa, Taco Bell, Miami. Shout out to you. I'm just joking, it's no Vanessa in Miami. You wanna get your taco like fixings and you wanna put them on there on the dry taco. Well, the one you just cooked. So start off with the ground beef and you put a small amount of ingredients. That's the secret. Keeping that heat on, it should be getting a little hot there. This is about the amount of ingredients you want to have. See, you got the ground beef on there, a couple tomatoes, and the lettuce, and then the avocado on there. Boom. Then you want to wrap it up in such a way. I'm going to show you right now. Spreadable nacho cheese dip. You're going to put a little bit of that around the sides of the thing. And then also the shredded cheese. So we're going to do that. Nacho cheese. Oh, yeah. So the cheese on top of cheese. Now we're about to get to the best part. Okay, you want to add these here, right here. Tortilla chips. This is gonna be the crunch and the Crunchwrap Supreme.
Wow.
Put them on top just like this. This is a quick and easy version, you know. This is gonna taste 30 times better than the Taco Bell.
Wow, this looks like a really, really tasty meal.
Yeah, then you now you got the tortilla. You got like this. Now you want to get the other tortilla you got here. 2 tortillas for a Crunchwrap. We told you this is a super simple method right here. Now you want to put this one, and then right here. Now you gotta watch closely because you know you gotta miss something, right? You put this tortilla on top of this tortilla. Okay, boom. All the ingredients under there, of course. Okay, you aren't paying attention right here. Now you got to get the boom. Take this one, and then you flip it over. Boom. None of the ingredients came out. How did I do that? Now you just flip over the sides. Like so. You got to make sure that all the ingredients are in the right place. See, they're all flipped over now. So make sure they're in the center of the ingredient pool right there. You pull up one side right there, just like that, like 1/5, I guess you could say. And then you turn it, and then you pull up another 1/5, just like that. Boom. Oh, look at that. And automatically stays in place. Then you do another 1/5. Like that, and you just keep doing that around the sides. See, boom. You're gonna eventually have to kind of hold it, of course, because that's how Crunchwraps work. But after you got all 4 sides just like this, now they all stuck together. Now you want to put this bad boy on the grill. Okay, you want to put this side up here, right here, like this, like so. And you want to put this one right here, catty corner. And then you just keep working it on right around there. You got your burrito. You're holding it all 4 sides already Crunchwrap folded, I guess you could say. And you just put it down, boom. Ooh. And just let it cook right there. Basically, the heat is gonna make like a little seal on there, make like a little glue. That was a little loud. So it's cooking right now. You can hear it sizzling up. You want to make sure you get it nice and flat, you know, nice and keep that thing consistent. Because all of the shredded cheese in there, you know, you want to get it all emulsified, nice and stuck together. It's like Taco Bell. And get that crust nice and crispy. Crispy. After you flip it over, look at that. Nice and grilled to perfection. And you want to get the other side like that, then we're going to be ready to go. The other side, as you can see, has a nice distinct shape. If you cook it a little bit, you know, if you fold the sides more hexagonally, it'll look in a better shape, but this is the idea. You can see you got both sides. If you make a nice cross section, which we're gonna do to show you how it looks inside. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful cross section. You got the nice cheese melted all in between it. Taco Bell meat, but a little bit tastier, of course. You got your different vegetables in there. Tomatoes just kind of subtly hanging out. And the nice crispy dual tortillas. Come on, this is way better than Taco Bell, and you can make it at home really quickly and for not that much money. Go out, make one of these. Tell me what you think. Real life Crunchwrap Supreme. It's actually surprisingly good. Oh my goodness! Like it tastes like a premium organic version of a Crunchwrap Supreme. Like if Chipotle or Five Guys made a Crunchwrap Supreme. And as always, comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what food ideas you want to see, finances, technology, anything else you want to see from the channel in the comments below. And have an awesome day.